I came here today for lip fillers. I want a more fuller, plumper look for my lips. I've also had a bit of an issue with my jaws, so I'd like a more tighter, younger look, especially on my jawline. Another issue I've been having as well would be my makeup's not lying as neat as I think I would like it to be, so some skin treatments would also be great.
Can you open your lips a little bit for me, like this? Okay, so I'm gonna put volume over here too, so that it can look like this. So is it okay with you?
Yeah, that's totally okay.
Okay. And is there any other concerns or problems of your face?
I'd say my skin. It's been quite dry recently, especially with the weather changes.
Okay.
So my skin's definitely my priority also.
Okay. So since you have like a dry skin and also skin problems, so we recommend you doing a LDM treatment and the O2 derm treatment. So first, the LDM treatment is a treatment that we put a LDM device on your skin, so we can put the LED light into your skin so that skin gets soothed and more moisturized. And also we recommend you the O2 derm treatment. We put oxygen into your skin so that it can boost up the skin's texture and also get it moisturized, get it regenerated and rejuvenated. Is it okay with you?
That sounds perfect.
Okay, I think you're getting a little bit sagged over here as you age, so I recommend you doing an ultherapy treatment today. We put the ultrasound into your skin, so there's a skin layer, under it is the dermis layer, under it is the fat layer, and under it is the muscles. So the muscles under the skin are sagged by a SMAS layer. So we stimulate this SMAS layer so that it can tighten up and make your muscles get tightened much more than usual. It is very good for lifting up the skin like this. So I recommend you doing Ultherapy Prime treatment today also. Is it okay with you?
All sounds good.
Thank you very much. Is there any other questions that you want to ask me?
No, I'm all good.